Aha! It's me again. So let's talk about absolute value functions. Okay, new thing here. So what is absolute value function? So it's defined by this thing. So don't care about fx. The main character is here. This thing, like double line here, then x here. Okay, I think you know what's the meaning of this one. It means that whatever inside is positive or negative, the output will give you a positive number. Okay, so let's say if x is already positive, then this modulus of a positive number, of course you just get back itself. If this thing is like -3 is inside, then the output will be +3, right? What's +3? +3 means negative bracket -3, which gives you +3. Good thing about this one is that this is very difficult and you don't need to memorize this, but it is very powerful. This thing is very powerful. Even if you go into uni, this one is very useful. Okay, so if you can remember that, you can remember and also understand this one, then it's like better. Okay, if you can't, it's fine. Okay, we call this thing modulus of A, or you say absolute value of A, right? Anything you want to call. Modulus sounds like a very fancy word, but it's fine. I think you can get it. Okay, modulus of 0 is 0. Modulus of 3, of course, is 3. Modulus of -5 is like here, -5 less than 0. So I use this thing. So it's -5, it gives me +5. You don't care, you don't care about this one, right? Okay, absolute value of -5. I just want a positive number, so I get this one. Okay, but if you know what I mean here, then it's better. Okay, so this one you must know. That one don't know is fine. This one you must know the absolute value of a value is what. Okay, right. Graph of an absolute value function. Absolute value function. So if fx is equals to this thing, modulus of x, then I construct a table just for you to see what's happening. The x value is what? -2, -1, 0, 3, 5. I just simply write a few. Then you see the modulus of -2, it gives you 2. Modulus of -1, it gives you 1. Modulus of 0, 0. Modulus of 3, 3. Positive, still get positive. Negative will turn into positive. So how does the graph look like? So I plot all these points. How do you plot these points? -2, 2. So -2, 2. I put a cross here. Okay. -1, 1. -1, 1. I put a cross here. Then 0, 0. Put a cross here. Then 3, 3. 3, 3. Put a cross here. 5, 5. 5, 5. Put a cross here. And join all the lines here. Okay, not all the curve, it's like so nicely done, so it's like a straight line joined by a straight line. Some are curves, right? So it's like, like smooth one. It's not like a straight line and so on. So just showing you how to roughly get the idea of a graph of a function. Okay, this is absolute value function, or the modulus. Okay, modulus function. Okay, it's given by this. It's a V shape. Okay, V shape. Remember, modulus or absolute value function is a V shape. Okay. Next, properties of absolute value functions. So if A is a positive number, modulus of x equal A. If you want to solve for x, then x is either A or -A. Okay, you remember this, huh? So I give you an example here. Given that modulus of x is equal to 5, how do you find x? So based on here, modulus of x equal to A, then x removing the modulus is equal to A itself, or removing it is equal to negative of A. So this one I should get this thing equal to 5 implies x equal 5 or x equal -5. Remember, this is the most important thing here. The whole thing, whole class today, this is one of the most important things. Okay, you need to know how to solve these kind of things, right? Okay, next, example 2. Level up a little bit. This thing, modulus of whatever inside, okay, it's equal to 1. How do I find x? First of all, it's the same concept that I have been using. Last time I used like something like this one, right? Okay, I use this one. Kayla, you call this Kayla, but more like Zai. Okay, so you got this one, modulus is equals to 5. What does it mean? It gives you this equals to 5, or this equals to -5. Okay, So that's what it means by that definition, okay? So now you have 2x minus 3, what do? You just take 2x minus 3 as me. So 2x minus 3 is equals to 1, or 2x minus 3 is equals to negative of 1, okay? I'm just telling you what, no, you're not supposed to draw this one in your exam. Your teacher will be like, what are you doing? You must be doing nonsense, okay? So this one, 2x minus 3, modulus is equal to 1 based on the definition. You just take whatever inside, okay, is equal to 8. Then what do you get? Equals to 1 or negative 1, okay? No more modulus, right? No more modulus, okay? Then I solve one by one. I solve this side, I move it over, becomes plus 3, 2x equal 4, x equal 2. That's for this side. So I continue to do this side, move it over, get this one, get this one. Okay, correct? X is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. So there are two answers here. Okay, so yeah, okay, I think I don't want to show you the graph. I don't want to confuse you. So temporarily, you solve it like blindly using the formula there. Then next time, we will see how you get this 2 and 1. Okay, right, next. Okay, so this one, verify means you kind of substitute back in here and see whether it's correct or not. Okay, I put 2 into here, I get 4 minus 3, modulus, it gives me 1. Okay, the other one, I get 1. 1, I substitute here. So 2 minus 3, I get negative 1 inside the modulus. So after removing, after taking modulus, it will become positive 1. So both of them, they give you the correct answers. Okay, next. Challenge time, please pause the video and try this. Okay, so I think you should be able to do it, right? Okay, so try this and I'll solve it after you have done. Okay, you unpause it. Okay, I'll do this now. If fx is given by modulus of 3x plus 6, find if the domain for the functions is between negative 3 to 2. You need some sample point in order to plot the graph, right? Okay, so what I do is that I go one by one from negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Let's say if in the exam they give you negative 10 to positive 10, don't silly go and like do negative 10, negative 9, negative 8 and do until 10. You'll be like wasting so much time. Just choose some of the sample points, maybe 6 to 8 sample points. I think 6 will be enough, okay? 6 to be enough to plot all of this. Okay, I just choose, because this one, not many, it's only 6 of them. So I choose integers. You can choose non-integers, but that's not very nice. Okay, so I choose this. Okay, then what I do, I plot negative 3, 3, negative 2, 0, negative 1, 3, and so on. So I plot all these x's. Okay, then I plot them already, then I join them together. Okay, I join them together, then I give me this graph. V shape, V shape, V shape. Okay, so you get a modulus value. Modulus function is a V shape. Okay, so you get this. Okay, find the range of fx. Okay, what is range? Range is all the possible output that's being mapped, right? Okay, so what's object here? Object here, it's here, the things here. Is negative 2.5 an object? Yes, it's here. Okay, why is it an object? Because it maps to some value here. What's the value that it maps to? Positive 2.5, right? Modulus of negative 2.5 will be positive 2.5. It gives you here. So everything is possible. Everything on the x-axis is an object here. So what's the range? Range means what? The things that's being mapped. Can the value here, object here, maps to negative value? Meaning that can modulus of x be having negative value? No, it cannot be. The smallest value that it can be is 0. So you look at all the horizontal line that you go across. Maybe you can use like a ruler. You move up and see, every horizontal line will intersect my curve at least one point. So those are the things that is in the range. Then you move down here. There's 1 point. Okay, there's 1 point. Here, all 2 points. Here, 1 point. If you move downwards, no point, meaning that no intersection. Meaning that what? Bottom is not your range. Okay, not range. Only top will be your range. So what does it mean? It means that your the range is all positive outcome. That's why fx will be between 0 and 12 only. Okay, because the point here 2 is the biggest point, right? Just now we see that it's from -3 to 2, right? Biggest value is 2. So the biggest one will be corresponding to here, which gives you 12. Smallest one among these few values. Just now we cut off until here, right? Okay, we cut off until here because from -3, right? This part is not included. You don't need to draw also can. So it's a Nike shape, okay? But it's like not smooth. Okay, so that's why it's between 0 and 12, not between 3 and 12. The smallest value is 0, not 3. Okay, right? So it's from 0 to 12. Get it? Okay. Right, so let's move on. Okay, so next, I'm going to find this. Fx is equal to modulus of 3x plus 6. I want to solve for this x again. Okay, remember what I said? You put a scalar here. Put this one. Then scalar modulus is equal to 18. What does it mean? Scalar is equal to positive 18 or scalar is equal to negative 18. So now you let scalar equals to 3x plus 6 and solve for this. Okay, so I'm going to solve for this. So 3x plus 6 is equals to 18. Solve for it means 3x plus 6 equals to 18 without modulus anymore. Or 3x plus 6 is equals to negative 18. Okay, I move the 6 over, it becomes minus. So it becomes 12. So x will be 4 here. And the other side, I move this over, so 3x is equals to negative 24. Okay, your math is okay, right? Okay, so this is minus 8. Yeah, so you get 2 answers. It's fine. And if you don't believe it, what do you do? Substitute back and see whether you get it or not. Very easy. 4 substitute back, 12 plus 6, 18. Modulus of 18 is still 18. There's another side of story which gives you negative 8. 3 negative 8 is negative 24. Negative 24 plus 6 is 18? No, it's negative 18. Then you take modulus, it's 18. So it's satisfied. Okay, left hand side equal right hand side. So both of these are the answers. Great. It's summary time, means it's time to say goodbye. Okay, so you have modulus of 5 is equal to 5 and modulus of negative 2 is equal to 2. This one you must know, right? All the things that you must know. Modulus of x is equal to a. This one is like, you know, remember Kayla, you remember me. Okay, so x equal to a or x equal to negative a. And you have, for example, x equal to 3 modulus, then 3 or negative 3. Or if you have this one, something like a function here, then what you do? Set this one to be equal to positive 2 or this one equal to negative 2. That's it. Okay, easy. Then you solve for it, get the answer. Okay, one last thing. This one, how does the graph look like? It's a V. Okay, V shape. Alright, so I'll see you. Bye.